Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and this video I'm answering a question that I always get in my email. How do you make your boyfriend love you? Yes, are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell that every time I post a video you get notified. Yeah, follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is @Nora Charimpa. Thank you, I love you. Let's go. So, you are there asking how to make your boyfriend love you more and more. And this is it. These are the answers right here in this video. Number 1. Show a little surprise affection. You know guys love affection. A little affection will go a long way to grow your relationship and to make your boyfriend love you more. Number 2, give him surprise kisses and surprise compliments. Show him that you pay attention and actively care for him. Number 3, give him that warm long hug. Number 4, be there for him when he needs someone. When he needs you, you know a friend in need is a friend indeed. Number 5, guys have feelings too. Be nice to him. Don't think he's a rock. He's only human. Number 6, be your natural self. Don't force anything. Don't act. Be normal, be natural. Remember, you can't force love. And fake love doesn't exist either. Be natural, be normal. Number 7, make eye contact from across the room and smile. Laugh and turn away immediately. This will make him melt. 8, don't be shy. Laugh, have fun, joke with him, play with him. It's called being romantic. Number 9, act what you say. Act your love. Let your actions match your words. If you say you love him, show it. Don't just talk and not show it. Remember, actions complement words, but they speak louder than words. Number 10, say what you mean and mean what you say. Don't assume that this guy is a mind reader to know what you want, how you want it, where you want it. He won't assume. He's not a mind reader. He's only human just like you. So, if you want something, if you mean something, say it. Express it in words. Number 11, one very important thing. Be nice to him and his family. You can't be nice to him and be bad to his family. Those people are one. Be nice to his family. Love his family. The love will always come back to you. Number 12, always keep in touch. Communicate. Be there for him. Be there with him. Know where he is. Let him know where you are. Do not cut communication at all costs. He will reciprocate. He will show the same care, sometimes even more. Number 13, do not make big deals out of small issues. As issues come in, as disputes come in, settle them immediately, resolve them immediately and amicably. Don't let resentment and long-term silences and disagreements creep in to eat up and destroy your relationship. Number 14, give him some space. If he wants to hang out with the boys or to read or some alone time, respect it. It helps grow your relationship. Number 15, remember he is a king and he wants to feel like one. Guys want to feel strong. Let him feel like with him you're safe. With him you are sorted. With him nothing else can shake you because you are with him. Let him feel like he is a king. Let him feel like he is strong, muscular king of your life. Number 16. Keep things interesting. Show him new things. Adventure. Find new things. Role play. Do new things that will boost and keep your relationship new. Don't let him get bored. Number 17. Let him know that he is all that matters. Don't let him feel like he is low, because don't make him feel underestimated by other guys. Don't let him feel like he's less of a man. Show him that he is all that matters and others are nothing. He is the man. Number 18. Remember to look nice all the time. Look your best. Be clean. Have very good personal hygiene. Guys love that. Number 19. Be yourself around him. Number 20. Don't get carried away when he compliments. Hold your head high. Smile. But do not make a fool of yourself to feel like you're untouchable, to act irrationally because he has complimented you. Number 21. Always tell him you love him. Number 22. Always play with him. Go with the flow. Don't be shy. Don't be timid. Don't hold yourself back. He is your boyfriend. He is your friend. Make him feel like one. Number 23. Avoid being overprotective and avoid too much jealousy. Asking him all his whereabouts with other girls, other females. You're even jealous of his sisters. Avoid being overprotective. Don't be too available. Don't hover around him all the time. And don't expect him to show up all the time. Sometimes guys need brotherly space. So do you. It helps to grow and rejuvenate your relationship. Now, listen. Do not overdo it. If he feels pressured, he will back down. He will go back to square zero. If you become too clingy, he will become more distant and end up taking you for granted. Do not overdo it, girls and ladies. Be wise, ladies. Remember to hold your head high. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82. Instagram is @Nora. Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. Do not forget to visit noraarake.com. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video. Ciao.